What is up, guys, and welcome to another video. I hope you're doing well, and I hope you had a very nice Christmas and hopefully a new year soon. Today we will be tackling the wiring on the DSG box here. As you guys know, I still haven't figured it out yet, but hopefully I will today. I'll be fiddling with that a little bit. I got some schematics here, so hopefully that will help me a little bit. But anyway, so yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I will also be showing you guys, we moved some shelves in here to get some of this mess figured out a little bit. Hopefully that will sort some things up and make it a little bit cleaner here in the garage. So I will be putting that up on the screen as well, so you can see. Some organization never hurts here. So I will be tackling this, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Sweet! There we go. Got kind of a tripod hole here, so very nice. As you guys can see, we got a bench here. I got the spare one from at home, so me and Felix, we put it in here today, and we also got
shelf.
Also got a shelf over there that we're going to use. Also gonna put that here. That one over there. Very nice. So we can get some sort of order here, because as you guys might know, it's kind of chaos right here, right now. So yeah.
Volvo owners, am I right?
Yeah, Volvo owners, sure. But yeah, so we got some spare things over, so we're gonna put it up and maybe sort some things out. So sweet. Alright, so this is how it looks here. Since I am running a ECU master here, I don't know if you can see it, I'm running ECU master. Whoops. I am using an adapter box which plugs into the OEM connectors. And the problem I think I'm having is I spliced in the cables for a CAN high and CAN low on the box, which is between the ECU master and the box. And some people say that it's very important, the distance between the ECU and the EBS on the car. It has to be like a certain distance on the CAN lines. So what I've done is I found the cable harness here, that's from the big connector, which is having the CAN cables. I found that and opened it up, so now I see the CAN cables here. So we're going to try to splice in the cables there instead, to see if that evens out the distance, because this is pretty much in the middle between the ECU and the EBS unit. Maybe that's the issue I'm having, to not be able to read the box, because when I'm scanning the box I don't have any, I can't read it. It doesn't find the box basically. So hopefully that's the issue I'm having, that I haven't spliced in the cables correctly. So let's see if that helps. Alright guys, so I did the splicing on the cables here, and unfortunately that didn't work. And since I have a really old computer, it has a Windows update, of course. There we go. Alright, so that will be it for this video. Unfortunately I won't be able to get any more footage for you guys for now. I'll have to dig into it even deeper and see if I can get my PC to work. And I need to get a hold of my OBD11 as well, so before I do that I can't do much more in the car again. But I hope you enjoyed this little update at least. We got a little bit more storage with a shelf over there and the bench, so we can do some more work, which is nice. But yeah, that will be it for this video, I think. I'm trying to do some editing and stuff to make it look a little bit better. Hopefully it looks alright at least. I've seen a lot of your comments saying, asking where I've been and how's it going, but sadly I'm stuck. I don't know what to do. But hopefully I will solve it soon, and I really appreciate you guys commenting on the videos and liking. I really appreciate that. So I hope you guys have a happy holiday, and I'll see you guys in the next video.